In this Johnson Controls Hitachi plant, we manufacture air conditioning equipment for industrial and commercial use, as well as air conditioning products for domestic use. We have 12 assembly lines and several zones for semi-finished production. It is our objective to always meet the demand of our customer with the highest flexibility and quality related to the standards of Johnson Controls manufacturing system and applying lean concepts.
We are constantly looking for ways to optimize our productivity and efficiency in our assembly lines. The use of mobile robots enables us to implement these optimizations in order to improve our efficiency, productivity, and safety. Our MiR robot automates the transport of raw materials to one of our latest assembly lines.
Our mobile robot from MiR transports mobile shelves to deliver raw materials to an assembly line with the Karakuri system and at the same time collect empty boxes. In this way, we avoid having forklifts driving through the production areas. At the moment, we do not use the MiR fleet system, but we consider incorporating it when we increase the fleet of mobile robots in the plant.
This mapping technology, which MiR uses, makes it very flexible and quick to change, unlike automated guided vehicles.
In this case, we have chosen an MiR200 for having sufficient payload for our process. The robot usually runs a full shift of 8 hours or 11 hours if we work overtime. Our workers in the plant have received the mobile robot of MiR with curiosity the first days for their novelty, even though we already had some AGVs in the plant. But they have always been aware that it helps us improve our productivity and plant safety. The fact that programming the MiR mobile robot is not very complex enables the operator without any need of knowledge of complex programming to create or modify missions. Additionally, the possibility of having an intuitive, user-friendly, and visual interface allows operators to interact with the collaborative robot, and it has become a necessary tool.
This past year, the MiR robot has traveled 750 kilometers and is currently driving 12 kilometers a day. This means that we save more than 3 hours a day of an operator or a truck. In this project, we have minimized the stock of raw material in the assembly line, without the need to increase the frequency of delivery by the operator. What ROI do we expect from the robot? An ROI of less than 2 years.
The cooperation and dialogue with mobile industrial robots and with Vico systems has been optimal, both in the early phase and in resolving adjustments that have emerged. Also with the implementation of the coupling system, consisting of a servo motor with spindle and PLC integrated into the robot.
Within 2 years, we want to implement more robots for similar tasks for the automation of the raw material supply and transportation of finished products to the storage area. We are also looking at other projects to automate and possibly combine a type of follow-me function of the robot during the picking preparation with a final mission to deliver materials in a defined point in the assembly line.